our RapidoBot installation video. So sa video na ito, tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano po tayo mag-install ng RapidoBot sa ating MT5 account with Windows. Okay? So unang-una po, no, this process is specific to Windows OS at iba po yung process sa Mac OS, no? And we would like to inform everyone na we highly suggest to use Windows po instead of Mac OS po, no? So, moving on, first and foremost, no, open your MT5 po. Then, make sure nakalagin na po tayo, okay? Yung account po natin nakalagin. So, second step po natin is we want to open our Gold instrument. So, just click Control U at hanapin nyo po yung gold. So, depende po kung ano po yung account type ninyo. Pwede pong Gold SC at pwede pong Gold Plus, pwede pong Gold wala pong kadugtong. Okay? So, for this sample, this is only a demo account. No? Click lang natin yung gold, then double-click po yung SAU-USD. Okay? So, if you are using a cent account, then this should be SAUUSD.SC. Double-click nyo hanggang mag-yellow po yung dollar sign. Then after that, just click OK. Then dito po sa Market Watch or sa symbols, hanapin nyo po, scroll down lang po kayo, hanapin nyo po yung SAU-USD. Pag nakita nyo po yung SAU-USD na yan, just right-click, then click Chart Window at maximize the chart. Right? So dito po, click po natin, Control G to delete the grids. Then right-click, go to Properties, okay? Go to Colors, the scheme, click Color on White, press OK. Right? Click the chart, right-click the chart, okay? We will remove the tick volumes, right-click the chart again, we will remove the trade history, okay? Then, we minimize the candles. Okay? Yan. Minimize natin. Then, we press this tab here, the shift end of the chart from the right border. Ayan ha, andito po sa taas. I-click nyo po yan para umurong po yung candles ninyo. After this, change the time frame to M1. Okay? Yan. Make sure naka M1 kayo ha. And wag po natin i-change yung time frame lalong-lalo na po habang tumatakbo po yung bots natin. Okay? Then dito po sa upper right corner, dapat naka-red po yan yung algo trading natin. Okay? So we are done in the MT5. Now, meron po tayong pinadala sa inyo na Rapido file at yung Rapido file na yan ay naka-license po sa individual account po ninyo. So hindi po yan gagana if gagamitin nyo po sa ibang accounts. Okay? So let's say, pinadalhan po kayo ng Rapido bot. Okay? So, let's say gagawin nyo lang po is, ida-download nyo po yan or kung sa Telegram, right-click, save as, then go to downloads, click mo yung downloads dito sa kaliwa, then you save. Then you go to your download folder, yan, download folder, click yung downloads, then i-click po natin itong Rapido Dynamic version 2.1 or anuman po yung pinadala sa inyo. Right-click po ninyo yan, then just click copy. Okay? So, pag nakopya na po ninyo, go back to your MT5, go to Files, Open Data Folder, okay? MQL5, Experts Folder, right-click lang po, screen, and paste. Pagtapos po na paste, okay? You just close the chart. Now, after closing the chart, go to the navigator side. Dito po sa expert advisors, eto po, right-click, then refresh, and basically, you will be able to see the Rapido Dynamic, yung bot na nilagay po ninyo. So, to attach the bot to the chart, all you have to do is left-click, hold, and drag. Yan. So, usually, sa common po kayo mapupunta. Okay? So, dito po kayo mapupunta. Make sure to click this box. Okay? Bago natin mag-press ng OK, go to Inputs. Okay? And dapat papalitan nyo po yung settings po ninyo. Depende po sa gusto ninyo. Again, guys, no? different capital, different users needs to set their own custom settings. Okay, so for this account, this is a demo account of 50,000. I am going to use this settings. Alright? So dito naman, ito po yung importante para sa akin is nakaset po ito sa 1.5% daily. Ibig po sabihin, pag umabot po ng 1.5% yung profit sa isang araw, hihinto na po yung bot. Dito rin po is nakalagay kung anong oras po siya magsisimula, which is 7 a.m. in the morning Philippine time. Alright? So pag naset na po ninyo ang settings ninyo base po sa risk profile ninyo, just click OK. Now, if you notice, nag-attach na po yung bot dito sa chart, but it's still not trading. Bakit? Okay, so ito po, tandaan po natin itong cap. Pag naka-gray yan, hindi pa po gumagana. Bakit? Kasi hindi pa po naka-turn on yung algo trading natin. Nakikita nyo, namumula pa. So, if I click this in green, yan, nagbabato na po siya agad. And from here onwards, wala na po kayong gagawin, kundi hayaan nyo na lang po yung bot nyo at i-manage nyo na lang po, no? Manually, if you want to close it earlier, you want to stop trading during the news time, you want to change the settings, no? So, kung gusto niyo i-change naman ang settings while the bot is running, all you have to do is just double-click the hat po dito, and lalabas po yung inputs and settings, and you can change accordingly and just press OK, and automatically it will change the settings. Alright? Now, let's say you want to stop the trading before news. Unfortunately, meron po kayong open trades. Gaya po nito. Mayroon po tayong open trades. Let's say may news mamaya but gusto mo na siyang i-close. What you can do is, before closing the trades manually, I want you to stop and click the algo trading para pag nag-close tayo, gaya po nito, yan, hindi na po siya magbabato uli. Okay? Kasi pag hindi po natin ito na off, tapos i-close mo manually yung trades, automatically mag-retrade po yung bot natin. Okay, so ayun lang po. Very straightforward, very simple. Good luck, happy earning, and see you in the GC. Thank you.